think you should be.
What is going on YouTube? Hayden back with another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, as well as look at a viewer's comment and pick a lucky person to review their altcoin. So basically, I'm just going to refresh the coin market cap and see what is the market looking like. So pretty much we're having a, if we load, I want to say a down day for the most part, not so well going up. The market cap has shifted down to below $500 billion, which is interesting, and we'll kind of figure out why in a second, but definitely a negative looking market at the moment. If we click on Litecoin, you'll notice that we had a huge spike, and we are seeing a lot of interesting play being moved out in the market at the moment. If you notice, we did have this huge run-up yesterday that I did mention. We shot all the way from 223 all the way up to 251, and now we seem to be coming back down. We were kind of like consolidating in between the $230, $240 line of support, as well as use the 245 as resistance. But we did build a upwards trending triangle, and I'm just going to delete this line to give you guys a better look at what has been happening. And you'll notice as we geared up and moved up into the triangle, we sort of just plummeted, and I'm kind of confused as to why. I think it has to do with the Litecoin fork that just happened, so we'll see how that plays out. Now the line of 235 seems to be acting as a resistance now, which is very interesting to see us go below. So we'll see if we can move back up higher off that, but definitely something to take note of, and I'm hoping that this is just a quick movement and it will go back shortly, but we'll have to play that out and see what happens. As for Bitcoin, kind of just taking a little bit of a dive right now, but definitely still following this line of support here. You'll notice that we are retesting the $11,600 area of resistance, which is a very big resistance for Bitcoin. So we'll see if we can break through that. If not, we may go down to retest this middle moving average and hopefully bounce up off that. Litecoin may be retesting this middle moving average again, which seems like where it's headed, and it may pop off that, but definitely something to look out for. Ethereum, on the other hand, is also retesting its middle moving average, and hopefully will bounce off that and continue up higher, but definitely below this line of resistance here. It's definitely an interesting market, guys. I'm not sure what exactly is happening. If you do know, please leave a comment as to why you think Litecoin is taking this huge dip right now. But very surprising after this huge run-up to see it start slowly coming back down. Definitely something to take note of, though. Moving on, we are going to do a viewer's suggestion for a coin, and I'm just kind of looking at all of your guys' comments, and I'm going to try and pick one. Let's do Monacoin. I guess we'll do Monacoin by Tanaka Jun. Chose Monacoin as the currency to review. So if I type in Monacoin, it's M-O-N-A. So let's see if that's on the chart on TradingView, because I noticed that some don't appear on TradingView, and I'm not sure why. But we'll see if this coin is. And it is. So I'm going to do Monacoin and Bitcoin on the Bittrex account, and we'll see what that is. If I go onto the 4-hour, you'll notice that we are having a very, very, very far dip in Mona, which is very interesting to see. Very huge line of resistance playing out right now. We are coming back down to retest this middle moving average, and we are on the oversold side of the RSI, so that is something to take note of too. But you'll notice that we are in an uptrend for the most part here. So that is a very interesting thing to notice too, is that we did seem to break out of that, which is interesting, and not bounce off that. So we may come back up to retest that middle moving average and get above this line of support for Monacoin. But definitely in a negative trend right now, and it seems like all the cryptos are in a negative trend. Litecoin's still falling. Bitcoin is now falling. Ethereum as well. So definitely something to notice. Not sure why Litecoin is taking the biggest hit out of the four. I'm going to go into that maybe because I'm on the hourly, but on the 4 hour, no, definitely still a big dip. Was not expecting that, but I think it does have to do with the fork that's happening at the moment. So we may see a pump back up shortly, but definitely something to take note of. Not much I have to say with Monacoin besides the fact that there was a very long downtrend too in the long run here as such, which led to that breakout that happened right here. Hence the pop that we see as it spiraled up. The pop coming back down, trying to find an area of support that Monacoin can use to bounce up off of. And the only thing I can really notice is maybe right around this area here. So we'll see if that acts as support for Monacoin in this downtrend that we're having. Definitely a negative bullish pattern that we're seeing. The middle moving average, the blue band, the green band is crossing over the red at the moment, so we'll see what happens. But I don't think there's anything to worry about with all of crypto because the whole market itself seems to be going down in price. Let's see how much the market cap is only 490 billion, so definitely like a $20 billion move was taken out of the market cap. So definitely something to pay attention to. Other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment telling me which coin you'd like to see me review in the next video, and I will pick one lucky winner. And on that note, peace.